Welcome to the learning material of Machine Maintenance, presented by Sakti Auto. In the previous session, we covered the basics of machine maintenance, what it is and why it's crucial for safe, efficient operations. Today, we're diving deeper. You'll learn the key steps involved and see real-life case studies from Sakti Auto, demonstrating how effective maintenance boosts productivity and our bottom line. Ready? Let's begin. Machine maintenance, step-by-step approach. Now, let's break it down. Machine maintenance isn't just about reacting, it's a process. Here's how it's done in a well-run shop floor. There are 6 key steps in machine maintenance. Number 1. Identifying maintenance need, spotting any unusual sounds, leaks, vibrations, or performance drops early. Number 2. Logging the issue, recording the problem clearly in the maintenance system or logbook to ensure traceability. Number 3. Assigning and diagnosing, assigning the right technician or team to inspect, diagnose, and plan the repair. Number 4. Performing maintenance, executing the required maintenance work safely, following standard procedures. Number 5. Testing and resuming, thoroughly test the machine after repairs before restarting production. Number 6. Recording and reviewing, documenting the maintenance work completed and reviewing patterns to prevent future breakdowns. Now, let's dive deep into each step. Step 1. Identifying maintenance need. It all starts with observation. Operators and supervisors notice early signs, strange noises, overheating, unusual vibrations, or warning lights. Step 2. Logging the issue. Once an issue is noticed, it must be logged into a maintenance request sheet. This ensures the maintenance team is alerted quickly and can act without delay. Step 3. Assigning and diagnosing. Next, the maintenance technician checks the machine. Diagnosis could involve visual inspection, sensor readings, or using specialized tools. Step 4. Performing the maintenance. Depending on the diagnosis, the technician might lubricate a bearing, replace a worn belt, or realign components. Golden rule: always lock out, tag out machines before maintenance. Safety comes first. Step 5. Testing and resuming. Once the repair is done, the machine should be tested thoroughly. Only when it performs at optimal levels, machine should be released back into production. Step 6. Recording and reviewing. Final step. Record the job details. This builds a strong maintenance history, helping in audits, analysis, and planning future preventive tasks. A good maintenance process doesn't stop at fixing, it documents, analyzes, and improves every time. Let's move on to real-life case studies. Case Study 1. The preventable breakdown. Scenario: a particular molding machine experienced repeated failures during the night shift, disrupting production and causing delays. Operators initially attributed the issue to machine overuse, but no clear evidence supported this assumption. The recurring problem affected productivity and created uncertainty on the shop floor. Action taken: filter clogging caused failures. Now, weekly filter checks are scheduled and a maintenance calendar is displayed, improving awareness, compliance, and shared responsibility for preventive maintenance. Outcome: the machine experienced 0 unplanned breakdowns for 3 consecutive months, enhancing line reliability. Furthermore, the improved machine condition led to a cycle time improvement of 8%, contributing to better overall equipment effectiveness (OEE) and more stable shift operations. Case Study 2. Predictive Maintenance. Scenario. As part of an initiative to improve predictive maintenance, the maintenance team installed vibration sensors on 6 CNC machines to monitor equipment health in real time. Over time, one of the machines exhibited a gradual spike in vibration levels, indicating a potential mechanical issue, although no visible symptoms had yet emerged. Action taken. Vibration data revealed early signs of bearing failure, prompting the maintenance team to proactively schedule a planned shutdown during non-peak hours for replacement. This predictive maintenance approach, driven by sensor data, prevented further damage and avoided production disruption. Outcome. The preemptive action prevented a major breakdown, avoiding approximately 1.2 lakh rupees in potential repair and downtime costs. Additionally, the proactive maintenance approach contributed to a 25% improvement in machine uptime, enhancing overall equipment reliability and production continuity. Case Study 3. Thermal imaging prevents electrical failure in foundry. Scenario. A core shooting machine in the foundry section began showing intermittent power issues, especially during high load cycles. Although the equipment continued operating, there was a risk of a major electrical failure, which could halt the entire line. Action taken. Thermal imaging of core shooter electrical components identified a loose connection and heat buildup in a contactor terminal. The electrical team tightened the connection, replaced the faulty terminal, and added monthly thermal imaging audits for critical machines to their inspection checklist. Outcome. 1. Potential electrical fire and equipment damage were averted, avoiding costly repairs and downtime. 2. Preventive repair cost. 3,000 rupees. Potential loss avoided. 2.5 lakh rupees in equipment and production losses. 3. Improved electrical safety compliance and strengthened the case for predictive diagnostics in other sections. Case Study 4. Lubrication optimization enhances press machine life. Scenario. A high-tonnage mechanical press machine used in the fabrication section was experiencing frequent wear and abnormal noise during operation. These issues not only increased the frequency of maintenance interventions but also impacted product quality due to vibration-induced inaccuracies. Action taken. A lubrication audit revealed inconsistent intervals and improper lubricant grades were causing rapid wear on critical components. To fix this, a new lubrication management system was implemented, featuring automated lubrication units, standardized lubricant types and grades, and a digital logbook for tracking and scheduling. Outcome. Noise and vibration are reduced significantly, improving part accuracy and operator comfort. Machine downtime reduced by 42% over the next 4 months. Component life extended by 18%, reducing long-term replacement costs. Promoted a data-driven lubrication strategy across other machines in the plant. At Sakti Auto, where precision, reliability, and customer trust are non-negotiable, machine maintenance is not just a technical task, it is a strategic commitment. In line with IATF ONE 6949 requirements, we must ensure that preventive maintenance plans are defined, implemented, and periodically updated for all critical equipment. Maintenance records are maintained accurately to demonstrate traceability, audit readiness, and continuous improvement. Calibration and condition monitoring practices are embedded into daily routines to uphold process capability and product conformity. Training and awareness are provided to operators, maintenance teams, and supervisors to recognize early signs of machine deterioration. Risk-based thinking drives our maintenance priorities, focusing on equipment that affects safety, legality, and customer-specific requirements. By embedding disciplined machine maintenance practices into our shop floor culture, Sakti Auto strengthens its commitment to customer satisfaction, product quality, process stability, operational excellence, long-term sustainability. Effective machine maintenance is not a cost at Sakti Auto. It is an investment in our quality, reputation, and future. Thanks for watching. See you in the next learning session.